Oh yeah.
That one. Yay. What one is that?
So this is an oven bird. So we had one of these the last go around. Not the same guy because he doesn't have a band on him. Is it noisy or hey?
He didn't quite make the big hole.
No.
Why are there big holes?
Sometimes
Just
things
from-
go through there, big things go through.
No, I'm not.
Hey, we caught one. Yeah. So they're going that way. We're going clockwise. Sorry. So because I want to see birds before they get them, because they run up to them and grab them and you can't film them.
It's okay. That's crazy. He's just left.
Yeah.
Over there, just like a few other birds. They're there again.